Okay. Tell me what's going on.
Um, so I'm having a lot of fear around financial scarcity, insecurity, and lack.
Hmm.
So I feel a sense of overwhelm and fear. And a lot of it is not necessarily realistic. It's just a fear that's been with me most of my life. And whenever there's something that comes up where this particular issue comes up, I get a tremendous amount of overwhelm and fear, and it just ripples throughout the rest of my day.
Hmm. So we're going to do a few of these guided expressions to start to unlock and release and bring up some of the tension. Okay. I've held this down for so long.
I've held this down for so long,
It's been trapped inside my body,
been trapped inside my body,
and I want to let it out to be free.
and I want to let it out to be free.
I want to be free.
I want to be free.
I deserve to be free.
I deserve to be free.
All right, and now just let me know what's going on inside your body with the tension, with the tension.
I can feel it fighting inside, like there's
Mm-hmm.
there's a wanting to let go and a wanting to hold on. I can just feel it from here to here.
All right, great. Let's just say there's other things I have to say about this.
There's other things I have to say about this.
I want to let go
I want to let go
of all the fear
of all the fear
around letting go.
around letting go.
I want it to be easier.
I want it to be easier.
All I'm here to do
All I'm here to do
is let go of fear
is let go of fear
and find my freedom.
and find my freedom.
I want to let go of everything
I want to let go of everything
unconditionally.
unconditionally.
That was never the real me.
That was never the real me.
And now just let me know what's going on inside your body with the tension.
So it's not anything like it was. I still feel a little stuff up here because I almost feel like I want to scream, and I'm not going to do that right now.
No,
But
it's okay.
I can feel something just wants to release.
So what you could do is just close your eyes and just imagine yourself when you were younger and walking into the household when you would see your younger version of yourself in that terror state. Okay, and I just want you to imagine walking over to her and getting on one knee in front of her, extending your hand, and then just imagining her coming into your arms and just saying, and you could just repeat this after me, I know it was terrifying.
I know it was terrifying.
That's why I came back for you, my love.
That's why I came back for you, my love.
I know it took me a long time.
I know it took me a long time.
I had to find you.
I had to find you.
And then just imagine breathing deep and slow with her. And then let me know if there's anything that you want to say to her, like to whisper in her ear as you're walking out the front door.
We're free. That's exactly what came through. We're free.
Yeah.